This is how to hold a handgun correctly. If you're right-handed, put your left hand, 4 fingers right here, your other 4 fingers right here, then you put your left hand's thumb right in front, your back hand's thumb right here, and then if you're ready to shoot, you put your hand on the trigger and you shoot. But if you're not ready to shoot, don't put your finger on the trigger. Now I'm going to show you the shooting once my brother gets me bullets from my room. Key! Can you go into my room and get this little bottle that's on my floor and it has these white balls, these white plastic balls? Give it to me, okay? To do safety on this one, pull both of these up at the same time. To not be in safety, push it down, and then you can shoot. This is a gas blowback pistol, so or you could just cock this handle by yourself manually. Well, hurry up! Here. We have LBDs here. Forgot to tell him to get the speed loader, but that's okay. And Mom's at work. Tablet's in my room. Oh. Okay, so we're just gonna shoot 3 bullets. My opinion on gas blowback is that it's probably the most realistic type of airsoft gun, but it's expensive. The least expensive would be spring, but spring sucks. The second best would probably be CO2. Electrics are just weird. So, how to reload? Put gas into here. There's gonna be a little hole in there. So you're gonna get your green gas, and you're gonna wiggle it around until it goes deeper. And you're gonna wanna push it. So now it is ready to fire. Cock the handle. Actually, I want to see if this works. Shoot it. And then, if this happens, this means that there is no ammo in the magazine. You're going to take the magazine out. You're going to refill the magazine, put gas back into it. And then you cannot pull this back if the magazine is still in there. You have to take out the magazine and then you're able to pull this back. And that is how to handle a gun, how to reload your airsoft mags, and the safety, and how you could cock it.